Hey guys, you're on a channel that's called Milana Blogs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make beaded jewelry. This is really popular right now, and if you don't know what it is, here's an example. Today I'm going to teach you how to make different types of rings, bracelets, and bracelets for your leg, and of course necklaces slash chokers, whatever you want to call them. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. First thing is string. I will be using this transparent one. You can use any other string, just don't use regular string because it is weak. Next is a needle. I'm using this thin needle so that any beads can slide on. Then scissors, you can use any scissors. I use these small scissors. And last thing is beads. Next thing is we're going to cut some string. I usually cut a long piece just in case, and then we take the string and we put it through the needle. The colors I will be using is red, green, and yellow. So to make the flower, we take our petal color, one bead, then we take our center color, which is for me yellow, then we bead on 3 more of our petal colors. After we thread our beads onto the string, we take our needle and thread it through the bottom bead as I am showing you here. And so this is how we get this half of flower. Now, it's not done yet. Next, we thread on 2 more beads of the petal color. After we've done that, we take our needle and thread it through the bead that is under our center bead, which is for me yellow. As I'm showing here, we thread it and pull it. And this is how we're left with a flower. In between the flowers on this ring, I will have a green bead. And then repeat the same pattern over and over again. To see if you're done, you can just wrap it around your finger as I did here, and it fitted pretty well. So next thing is we need to tie a knot. I take off the needle and I start making knots. I usually do around 5 just to be safe so it doesn't untangle, because if it does, it's really sad because then all your hard work is wasted. After you're done with your knots, you can just cut off the excess string. This is how the ring turned out, and here I'm showing a similar ring, same design, but we have 3 green beads in between. Here is another ring. It only has 1 flower and the rest is just gold beads. You can also make bracelets with the same design. Here is the bracelet I made, and I have 6 beads in between the flowers. Next, we'll be making a bracelet for your leg with no clasp, and we'll need orange beads, these pinkish purple beads, and blue beads. So same thing here, we cut a piece of string. I recommend it to be long, and then we thread it through our needle. After that, we make our flower again, one petal, then the center, and 3 petals again. We thread our needle through the bottom bead. We then thread on 2 beads of our petal color. We then thread our needle through the bead I am showing here, so the bead under our center color. And then we thread on 6 orange beads because that is going to be our pattern. As I did with the ring, I measured the bracelet on my leg so that it would fit. On the end I'm showing you guys right now, I threaded on 20 orange beads so that we can make a loop. To make the loop, we take our needle and thread it through one of our petal beads, as I'm showing you here. And this is how it should look. For the other end, you'll need to find a bigger bead that fits through your loop. After you've threaded your needle to the other end, you want to thread your big bead on. So here we won't be able to tie knots, so we'll have to use a hot glue gun. So as you can see here, I'm doing the bead first with the hot glue gun. You can use any glue actually. I just happen to have hot glue. And here I'm doing the other end with the hot glue gun. I just put it on the string directly. Last thing is we cut off the excess string and our bracelet is done. That was it, guys. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That was all. Bye!